What's up, guys? My name is Bryce with Roman Venture Co. Today we're going to be setting up a 6.5 foot awning. I'm going to show you how to install it on your roof rack. So with the awning itself, we've got 2 spacers, 4 of these hex bolts, and 4 nylon locking nuts. These are for my actual roof rack. Everybody's situation is going to be a little different, but in my case, I have a Prinsu, and these are channel bolts with nylon locking nuts. To make my job easier today, I've got my ratchet. I have a 13 millimeter for these nuts, and then I have a 7/16 for actually mounting to my roof rack. So next thing you're gonna wanna do is grab your hex bolts, 2 of them, and on the short side of the bracket, you're gonna throw 2 in there and loosely throw these on. What this is gonna do is allow us to slide it through these channels. I've just found that this is a easier way to do it. So just line those up. Just slide this guy in. We've got this bracket on, and then we have another bracket down at the bottom. So next step, what I like to do is bring the awning up with the channels up, facing towards the sky. We got our L bracket. So this helps me visualize where my cross members are on my roof rack. So then I can go ahead and slide and slide. And I should be good to go there to go ahead and mount it. I understand that not everybody has the same roof rack, but for my roof rack, a Prinsu roof rack, there's a channel bolt system. So I'm gonna put these channel bolts in here, grab a spacer. So what this does is gets it just a little bit off the roof rack to where the awning will not rest on this ridge right here. So I got this one in, and I've got that one installed. Now it's time to throw the awning up here. Since I have everything measured out roughly already on the awning, this should be pretty simple to install from here. But everybody's roof rack's gonna be different, so you might have to get a little creative on mounting to your roof rack. The universal mounting kit should work on any roof rack. All right, so I got that one loosely on, mounted with the spacer. This one is mounted with the spacer. I just need to tighten it up. Just make sure your awning is straight. After you tighten one down, you can adjust this guy, and you should be golden. So not everybody, like I said, has the same roof rack. For my circumstances, I have a 7/16 locking nut on these guys. Just gonna cinch those down real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock these guys in too while I'm right here. Nice and tight, nice and snug. Don't want to over torque. And boom, we're mounted. All right, guys, and that's how you install the awning. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Remember to always use hand tools and enjoy your awning.